Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. Some of you guys were missing the quails. But here they are. Happy to be in the video again. Can you see it? This couple stayed outside for the whole winter, which is a first. We didn't have any snow or very cold weather this year, so they did fine. They do enjoy each other, but sometimes a little bit too much. Both quails preen each other a little too much on the heads, so they are a little bold. So far, good news. Now, unfortunately, we also have some sad news. We didn't have cold weather this year, but we did have a lot of storms. And one of these storms broke open the aviary doors when the quails were still in it. The female quail with the limp leg was gone, and the jungle bush quail literally took her place because she was still there but limping. She could still move her leg, but she couldn't stand on it. Now, a few weeks later, she still isn't using her leg much, so I have to decide what to do with her. Because in this condition, I can't put her together with a male. But now back to this lovely couple. Hopefully the rain will stop soon because a lot has been falling the last months. If the rain stops, I will increase their protein and give them some nesting opportunities, and hopefully they will get some chicks this year. The first this year are the Aviary parakeets. For the first time we have parakeet eggs. 2 little eggs. They are the first eggs of this couple, so we have to wait if they will start breeding. Fingers crossed. This weekend I also placed all the males to their rightful partner. It's always a struggle to catch them, especially with all the avies escaping. I first removed the golden finch chick and one of the female owl finches before moving the males. As you could see on my Instagram, I also sold the yellowhead starfinch and the 3 owlfinch chicks from last year, so I have a little more space. After moving the males, it was time to see if they liked each other. The starfinches didn't even wait before I put down the camera, as you can see. I think this will make a great couple. The other 2 couples were checking each other out, but not much more than that. For now, enjoy some footage of the couples together. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing. See you next time, and remember, stay happy and always love your birds. Bye bye!